India's Union Budget 2026-27 was unveiled by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, marking her ninth straight budget and stirring strong reactions from households, businesses, and markets across the country. The theme leans toward sustaining steady economic growth while trying to balance fiscal discipline with incentives that touch everyday lives, especially for the middle class and salaried taxpayers. The biggest buzz around Budget 2026 was once again income tax, particularly how changes could reshape take-home pay for the middle class and salaried workers. After major relief in last year's budget, where income up to 12 Indian rupees lakh became tax-free under the new regime, many taxpayers were hoping for an increase in the basic exemption and deductions this time too, with expectations that standard deduction might be raised to help offset inflation and boost disposable income. Under current slabs, incomes up to 4 Indian rupees lakh are exempt, while earnings above 24 Indian rupees lakh are taxed at 30%. Salaried and middle-income groups have been pushing for higher exemption limits, increased rebates, and better relief under sections like 80C and 87A to make compliance lighter and incomes more robust. Beyond tax reform talk, railways and infrastructure featured strongly in public and market expectations. Railways capital allocation has been rising steadily in past budgets, and citizens, especially commuters, were vocal about wanting better services, modernization, and more trains, all seen as crucial for national connectivity and economic momentum. Senior citizens and retirees also kept a close eye on budget provisions, hoping for relief and incentives that go beyond standard tax measures, such as enhanced deductions for healthcare-related expenses and broader financial support. Given rising living costs, market watchers were tuned into how the budget might affect equities and precious metals. Sectors like railways, defense, and PSU banks were highlighted as key focus areas, and assets like silver and gold drew attention from investors seeking safe havens or hedges against inflation. At its core, Budget 2026 underscored balance, seeking to upkeep India's growth trajectory while offering targeted relief to taxpayers, strengthening infrastructure, and trying to sustain confidence in financial markets. How these broad objectives translate into tangible, everyday impact will unfold as policies are implemented and compliance details are clarified in coming weeks.